Subarus by the looks.
Yeah, more Subarus. We've got a few of them in the shop at the moment. This is a fresh build, so same chassis, same everything, just car had never come apart since it was a street car, and it had just been developed over the years. And so COVID kind of put a stop to motorsport, so the owner decided to basically strip it, paint it, and yeah, give it a big birthday. So with this new configuration, we're still running low boost. We're still, so we've got all new Nitron shocks in it, playing with front end geometry, getting all the aero to work properly. So it's a bit of a, we're pretty much working on building up to where we need to be.
And I mean, for like all the Subaru nerds out there, what is the motor setup and how much power is it making?
So, well, at the moment, it's only we haven't even used it yet, but making on 28 pounds, we're just on 500 kilowatts.
Yep.
So it's a new bottom end, so it's a full closed deck. It runs copper annealed head gaskets. It's got the G35 1050 with a 1.21 exhaust. Modern sequential paddle shift, all Motec again, full titanium 3.5-inch exhaust.
And this will be an open class car, I'm guessing?
Pro-Am.
Pro-Am, okay.
So full flat floor. So we're basically, his aim is to crack into the sub 30s with the car. And yeah, on this build, we moved all the CG of the car. So all the weight is now offset by the driver, so it's all in the passenger seat.
Okay.
So no passenger rides anymore.
No, and having, like, by the looks of it, the driver's seat's a fair bit further back as well.
Yeah, so we pushed the driver's seat back, I think almost 100 mil.
Yep.
And then we dropped it by about the same.
Okay.
So the actual, so the whole driver is sitting, way lower in the car. Again, trying to offset that, your CG of the whole car.